In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or change your company information in QuickBooks Online. Whether you've updated your logo, rebranded, or simply need to correct a typo, updating your company information is an essential step to ensure all your documents and reports reflect the most accurate details. Let's dive right into it. First, what you want to do is open up your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. You'll see the sign-in button right there on the home page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select the service you're using. For our purposes, select QuickBooks Online. Once you've done that, it's time to log in. Enter your username and password in the respective fields and hit continue. This will take you straight into your QuickBooks Online dashboard, where you're probably already familiar with managing your finances. Now let's focus on accessing the area where you'll make these important updates. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will see a gear icon representing the settings menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu you'll find the option Account and Settings. Selecting this will open up a new section where all your company's details are conveniently organized. Now look for the Company tab on the left-hand side. This is where you can manage your company's core information. Click on Company Name. This action will allow you to start making edits. Here you can change not only the company name but also update the logo and the legal name if necessary. These fields are especially important if your company has undergone any rebranding or changes in legal structure. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Taking the time to double check these entries can save you a lot of potential issues down the line, particularly when it comes to compliance and client communication. Once you're satisfied with all the changes you've made, the final but crucial step is to click on the Save button. This will ensure all your edits are permanently recorded in QuickBooks Online. Without hitting save, all your hard work would be for nothing, as none of the changes would be retained within the system. And there you have it. Those are the straightforward steps to update your company information in QuickBooks Online. Making sure this information is current is vital for maintaining the professional image of your company. Not to mention, it serves as a quick reference for your staff and any stakeholders who require consistent documentation from your company. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. As always, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.